Hello everybody! Today I want to show you our system of electronics for the escape room Jumanji. So first of all I want to tell you about this set of props. So our customer ordered just a box and the sets of electronics. So there's got to be some more props or decorations. So all these sensors are installing in the walls. And after that they're painting, so there's got to be some animals or something else. I will tell you a little bit later about that. And these are magnetic locks. They're installed, these two installed in shelves. I will tell you about this puzzle. And this one, the third one, is in the door to the second room. So there are some kind of sensors more. I will tell you about them later. So this is our laptop with software installed with the script of this exact scenario, Jumanji. So we can start the game. So I will push the button play. Our system asks us about, there is a written here, I will tell you to activate the locks. Yes, I push the enter, and these locks are these two shells, so you can see that it is activated. Yeah, the door is not activated yet, so it says us to close the door and again enter, and the door is closed. So system ready, begin. Yes, we want to begin the game. So our game start. This is the moment then administrator push the button start, and players can start the game. Okay, so first puzzle is that after players come into the room, they see some table with the box, and to start the game they should find the chairs and put it in the right places. There are 3 players, so 3 chairs. These are just simple magnet, so it will be installed in the chair. And here, just imagine that it is the places for 3 chairs. It's written here. So 1, 2, and the third chair, we put it on the right place. Yeah, and so it was some kind of a light or a storm, and the locks are opened. So as you can see, these are fake locks, so you cannot open them until you put the chairs on the right places. So now we can open the game. You can hear some sounds knocking. Yeah, these are sounds that are helping us. They're installed in some kind of wardrobe. There are figures, these figures hidden. So you can see these are rhino, elephant, and chameleon, 3 figures. So we put them in the right places. Players found the clue how to put them. And actually we need to solve one more puzzle before the beginning of the game. And there is some kind of clues. And you can see that we have to shake some kind of cubes. And also in this place there the sound goes from, there is a this kind of box. There is a cubes in here. So, and we should do it like this, and some kind of a secret compartment, hidden one, opened. So we've got some cubes, we can use it. But actually for the game we don't need them. We have to solve some puzzles to find how to move these figures. So after that we solve first puzzle, and we get the information that we have to move figures in the order like the chameleon goes 4. Actually there is some kind of clues for administrator here. It's written what's the right moves. So administrator know all the game in the software. The elephant goes to the second space, the second cell, and the rhino goes to the third one, if I'm right. Yeah. After they made first move these three figures, so the sound the voice begin to tell us the story, and it tells us that there is a man who played Jumanji a long time ago. He's stuck there. So our Jumanji started. As you can see, this video screen, it's came alive. And he tells us that we don't need actually these cubes because they can't help us. And to move these figures, we need to find out next moves. But the first move, he remembers that the Rose, the girl who was playing with him, should move her elephant to like 3 cells more to the 5th one. So after the move, after making each move, our screen showing us like the next clue, the next step. So and now it's written here that there are some kind of spiders all over the room, and I don't know if you can see here. Yeah, there is a light turns on. Actually, these sensors, this part of the sensor will be hidden under the wall, and this one is just simple magnet, as I showed you before. Oh, it's already used. So this magnet installed into the, I don't know, spider toy, and so the spider connects to the sensor, and there are 3 spiders here. They are kind of scary. The lights is lightning flashing, and so our goal here is to hit all the spiders from their places. So we'll do it gently for now. This is like first spider, so I took it off. The second one, each one with some kind of sounds. These are just small magnets. It's easy to put them into spider toys. That's because customer didn't order the props for that, because it's just simple toys for that. And the third one, after they hit 3 spiders off, after we hit all the spiders off, the voice again tells us that we should move this figure 2 moves more. So storm goes on, the lights goes on, some kind of a tornado. Okay, for that puzzle, this guy said that there is a storm in the room, so we should go faster, but he don't remember actually what's the moves, and he tells us maybe the storm giving us some clue. So as I don't know if you can see this flashing, I will move it right here. So these lights is installed in the room, and you can see that there is a sequence of lightning, like 2. We'll see the 2 now. After that 3, and the last one 4. And in this clue, the guy said that first you should move the arena one. So arena is 2. Actually, the next one is elephant, so it's 3, as I remember. I can see anything because of the lights now. And the last one is 4 for the last figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? Yeah. So yeah. So I don't know if you could see it now. Maybe we'll turn the lights off. Can I turn it off? Yeah. So these are the lights. These are the sensors. They are installed, as I said, under the wall, and there is a bats drawn here. So 1 here and 2 of them here. And after we solve that puzzle, this bat some kind of gets their eyes turned on. So and there is a clue that we need to some kind of flash this bat. So I will use my light. After I use the light, it turns off. But these two are activated, these two beds. So actually I will need two lights here, but in one time, but I have just one. So I will show you how to use our system. There is in the software all the puzzles are in the list, so we can see each puzzle. We can see each moment there the players are. So it's written like chairs, like the first puzzle. After that, the hidden box, the move number 1, and so on. And then the puzzle is activated. It's written yellow, so before the players solve it. If the puzzle is not activated yet, so it's like the future puzzle, it's turned. It is red, and then the players solve it. It turns to green. So red not activated, yellow activated but not solved, and the green after players done this puzzle. So I don't have two lights now, so as administrator I can just skip this puzzle, and I can just push the button bets number 2. It turns from yellow because it was activated to green after I pushed the button. So, and the next puzzle activated. And the voice said that next move is written on the paper, but this paper was stolen by some birds. And actually in this corner there are a lot of birds, toy birds or drawn birds, I don't know how our customer will decide. So, and actually there is some kind of a tube. I don't know if you can see it. And in this tube it is paper hidden there. So we can just put the birds away and get the paper. And actually on the paper there you can see the sounds of birds. It's written here the next move, and the next move, I need a clue too. Next move is for chameleon 13, 10 and 11. 11. Then the arena goes to the, yeah. So after they made this move, as you can see, this magnetic lock is opened. As I said before, this magnetic lock is second room door. So this magnet goes to the door, this magnet goes to the door post. So for now it is opened, and actually, but the program software is not activated yet because door is not open yet. So as you remember, I showed you these magnets, this kind of magnet installed into the door, just like in the door, and in the door post we put this kind of sensor. So what happens next? After we opening the door, our software understands that we are opening the door because magnet goes from the sensor. And after they open the door, the next puzzle is activated. So the next room is looks like some kind of a jungle. There are a lot of animals again. There is a lot of animals drawn on the walls, and actually we need three these sensors. They are installed in the second room. As I remember, this one is a rhino, this one is a tiger, and this one is a bird. Actually, I don't remember the name, you know, the bird with big nose, some kind of that. So the puzzle is that we need to gently touch the rhino. We need to close the tiger's eyes. It's pretty dangerous. You can see the sounds that the puzzle is solved. It tells us that it is solved. And the last one, this bird, we need to knock. So again, it is solved, and so we get the clue about our next move, and our next move. Oh, I forgot. After we solve these puzzles with these three animals, you can see the small light here. Actually, it will be like the big wire. It will be installed in the wall also, and it is installed in few places, and there is a, if I'm not if I don't forget, 2 rhinos and 3 elephants, and their eyes are turning on these lights. So the rhino, 2 rhinos, so we get the answer that we should move Rhino, I don't remember, sorry. We should move it to like 3 moves, or two moves, 2 rhinos, and there are 3 elephants, so we should move it 3 moves we need to make. And yes, did I make everything right? 13. Oh, 1, 2, also 2 elephants. Or 3 rhinos? Yeah. I don't remember exact numbers. Sorry. The voice tells us. This voice, it's not our player's voice. This is, as you remember from the film, the hunter's voice. And he's telling about previous players. And actually, you can see that there is a. This is a laser, which is a. Oh! He's shooting at us. This is the first shelf falling after his shot. The second one is falling after his shots. This is his, what's the word for target, you know, targeting this sniper gun. So it's kind of scary for us. And after our shelves falling down, there is a mirror hidden there. We are taking the mirror. It was hidden behind one of the shelves, and we are taking it. And so I don't have mirror now. We are placed the mirror to get this light back to this hunter sniper, so that he will be blind and shoot himself. So again, because I don't have a mirror, I will just skip this puzzle, just as the same. So you can hear that he was shoot himself or some kind of like that, or because of the light. And he's telling us that we are great players, and we can solve the game till the end, like make it the last move. And as you remember, the last move is like last places, last cells. So we'll put all our figures on the right place. Is everything all right? Yeah, this is last place. Okay, so that's all. This is the end of the game. Everyone is happy. We just won. This is the final music. So, thank you. This was the walkthrough of Jumanji, set of props, set of electronics. So, thank you for watching.